The power of words. Learning a new language opens a door to a new world. It's a journey of exciting discoveries and connections. At the heart of this journey lies the power of words. Mastering vocabulary is like acquiring the building blocks of communication. As you expand your vocabulary, you'll express yourself more clearly and navigate the English-speaking world with confidence. These words and phrases will serve as stepping stones for effective communication. Let's dive in and unlock the power of words together. Section 2. Greetings, starting conversations with confidence. Greetings are the foundation of any interaction, setting the tone for a positive exchange. Learning how to greet people warmly and appropriately is essential for making a good first impression. In English, there are various greetings to choose from, depending on the time of day and the level of formality. Let's start with some basic greetings. Hello is a versatile greeting that can be used in most situations. Hi is a more informal alternative, suitable for casual encounters. Good morning is a polite way to greet someone before noon. Good afternoon is used from noon until evening, while good evening is appropriate for after sunset. To respond to a greeting, you can simply repeat the same phrase back. For example, if someone says good morning, you can reply with good morning as well. You can also add a polite phrase like, how are you, to show interest in the other person. Mastering these basic greetings will give you the confidence to initiate conversations and make connections with English speakers. Remember, a warm smile and a friendly greeting can go a long way in building rapport. Section 3. Introducing yourself. Sharing basic personal information. Once you've greeted someone, the next step is often to introduce yourself. This involves sharing your name and perhaps some other basic information. It's a way of establishing your identity and making yourself known to the other person. To introduce yourself, you can say, my name is your name. For example, my name is Sarah. You can also use the shorter form, I'm your name. For instance, I'm John. If you want to ask the other person's name, you can say, what's your name? In addition to your name, you might want to share other relevant information, such as your nationality or occupation. For example, you could say, I'm from Brazil, or I'm a student. These details can help to spark further conversation and create a connection with the other person. Remember, introducing yourself is an opportunity to make a positive first impression. Speak clearly, maintain eye contact, and be confident in sharing a little bit about who you are. Section 4. Common objects, naming things around us. As we navigate our daily lives, we encounter countless objects that make up our surroundings. Being able to name these objects in English is essential for understanding and describing the world around us. From furniture to appliances to everyday items, expanding your vocabulary to include common objects will greatly enhance your ability to communicate effectively. Let's start with some basic household items. Table, chair, bed, sofa, and lamp are all essential words for describing the furniture in a home. In the kitchen, we use objects like refrigerator, stove, oven, sink, and microwave on a daily basis. Moving on to electronics, we rely on devices such as phone, computer, television, and tablet for communication, entertainment, and information. These objects have become integral parts of our modern lives. By learning the names of these common objects, you'll be able to ask for what you need, describe your surroundings, and engage in conversations about everyday topics with ease. Start by labeling objects in your home or making flashcards to reinforce your learning. Section 5. Daily activities, describing our day. Our lives are a tapestry woven with countless daily activities, from the moment we wake up to the time we go to sleep. Being able to describe these activities in English allows us to share our routines, make plans, and connect with others over shared experiences. Let's begin with some essential verbs that describe common actions. Wake up, get dressed, eat breakfast, brush teeth, and go to work are all part of a typical morning routine. Throughout the day, we might work, study, shop, cook, or exercise. In the evening, we often eat dinner, watch TV, read, relax, and go to bed. These verbs paint a picture of our daily lives and allow us to communicate our schedules and activities effectively. By mastering these basic verbs and incorporating them into your vocabulary, you'll be able to describe your day, ask about other people's routines, and engage in conversations about everyday life with greater fluency. Practice using these verbs in context to solidify your understanding. Section 6. Asking questions. Seeking information effectively. Asking questions is an essential part of communication, allowing us to gather information, clarify doubts, and engage in meaningful conversations. In English, there are specific question words and sentence structures that we use to formulate clear and concise inquiries. Some of the most common question words include what, where, when, why, and how. What is used to ask about things or objects, while where inquires about location. When is used to ask about time, why seeks a reason or explanation, and how asks about the manner in which something is done. To form a simple question, we often invert the subject and verb. For example, instead of saying, "You are from Spain," we would ask, "Are you from Spain?" Similarly, instead of saying he likes pizza, we would ask, "Does he like pizza?" By mastering these question words and sentence structures, you'll be able to confidently seek information, clarify your understanding, and engage in more interactive and dynamic conversations. Section 7. Numbers and counting. Mastering the basics. Numbers play a crucial role in our daily lives, from telling time to making calculations to expressing quantities. Mastering basic numbers in English is essential for various everyday situations, such as shopping, banking, and understanding directions. Let's start with the cardinal numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. These numbers form the foundation of the decimal system and are used to represent quantities up to 10. Once you're comfortable with the numbers 1 through 10, you can learn the numbers 11 through 20, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. These numbers follow a slightly irregular pattern, but are essential for counting beyond 10. From there, you can learn to count in tens, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. These numbers will allow you to express larger quantities and understand numerical values in various contexts. Section 8. Days of the week and time navigating schedules. Time is a fundamental aspect of our lives, shaping our schedules, appointments, and daily routines. Understanding the days of the week and how to tell time in English is crucial for navigating social engagements, work commitments, and everyday activities. Let's start with the days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. These 7 days make up our weekly calendar and provide a framework for organizing our time. You can use the phrase, "What day is it today?" to ask for the current day. Telling time in English involves using hours and minutes. We use a clock to indicate the hour, so 8 o'clock. For minutes past the hour, we use past, so 15 minutes past 8 or quarter past 8. For minutes before the hour, we use to, so 15 minutes to 8 or quarter to 8. By mastering the days of the week and how to tell time, you'll be able to confidently schedule appointments, understand deadlines, and manage your time effectively in English-speaking environments. Section 9. Food and drinks. Ordering with ease. Food and drinks are essential parts of our daily lives, providing sustenance and enjoyment. Being able to order food and drinks in English is essential for dining out, grabbing a quick bite, or simply quenching your thirst. Let's start with some common food items. Bread, cheese, eggs, fruit, vegetables, meat, fish, chicken, rice, pasta, and salad are staples in many cuisines. When ordering at a restaurant, you can use phrases like "I'll have the," or "I'd like to order." As for drinks, some popular choices include water, juice, soda, coffee, tea, beer, and wine. You can specify your preference by saying "I'd like a glass of," or "Can I have a cup of?" By familiarizing yourself with these basic food and drink terms, you'll be able to confidently order at restaurants, cafes, and bars, making your dining experiences more enjoyable and stress-free. Section 10. Expanding your vocabulary tips for continued learning. Congratulations on mastering these Level 1 vocabulary essentials. You've taken a significant step towards building a strong foundation in English, but the journey of language learning doesn't stop here. To continue expanding your vocabulary and fluency, consider these tips. Immerse yourself in English content. Watch movies, TV shows, and listen to music in English. Pay attention to new words and phrases, and understand their meanings from context. Read regularly. Choose books, articles, or blogs that interest you. Use flashcards and language learning apps to memorize new vocabulary. Practice speaking with native speakers to improve fluency and vocabulary. Learning a language requires dedication and consistent effort. Celebrate your progress.